Alright, and we're back. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Midna, hello. Oh no, you're sick! Sorry to hear. Sorry to hear. You know what's gonna do good for your sickness? It's gonna make you feel better and stuff? By watching some Spider-Man. I do hope you feel better soon. Alright, so this time I managed to fix my Spider-Man game and it runs so much smoother. What do you think? Fire truck! Fire truck, where?
It is tempting to catch the easiest prey, but in our case, the most obvious criminals
Watching me indeed.
Wait. Follow them. See where they go.
Spider sense locate safe.
I'm not gonna let anyone get hurt. If I see these guys threatening someone's life, they're going down.
Illegal money is usually paid in cash. If you follow low-level criminals as they drop off their earnings, they will lead you to the next rung of the ladder. You are doing well. Now listen. Higher-level criminals prefer to keep a low profile. But just as animals must visit a watering hole, they must collect their money and pay those above them.
I'll give them this. The way these guys hustle all over the city, they're getting one heck of a cardio workout.
Often the higher-level criminals will lead you to legitimate
businesses
that serve as a front to launder the illegal income. It is here you will find their bosses, pretend respectability.
I have to admit, Craven, all this is leading me to the big fish I never used to find before. Thanks.
Like a pride of lions, when the leaders fear an outside predator, they will call their soldiers together for protection.
And every crook in New York is afraid of the Carnage Killer. When I find where they're holed up, it'll be like one-stop shopping.
You are learning, but stealth is crucial. Even you cannot fight all of them at once.
Couldn't ask for a better picture.
Come on. No. It needs to be very specific for some reason. I don't know why. That's okay. I'm gonna be quiet during the dialogues and stuff because I want to understand what's going on and stuff. You know how it is. I'm gonna get closer. Oh yeah.
Just what I needed.
I think we're good now, yeah?
If we don't have everything ready when the truck arrives, we'll be in big trouble!
We will be in big trouble! Alright, so, what do I do now?
I get a photo of that crate of Oscorp tech, so I can trace it.
Alright, so, where's the crate of Oscorp tech? I have a problem. My screen is not entirely fitting in the computer screen, so it's bothering me. Let me see if I can. It's not gonna fit. Oh man! It's that picture of the case. Let's try again. Come on! All right, whatever. We're gonna have to do this. Oh, I'm glad to hear. I'm glad to hear, but I'm not gonna say your username. It's a mouthful. But I'm happy for you. So, where was I? Yeah, I'm gonna be... Pokemon game, yeah! I need to start that game again. And you know what I want to do? That is the Oscorp.
It's heavier than your mother. If you drop that, I'm not taking the blame for you.
There we go.
Shot. Quick, get the crate loaded before.
Hey, Ivan, hello! It's all about the cows. Hey, Stefan!
I'll stick to it like, well, me.
Ah, yeah, Min. Yeah, I call you Min. I'll call you Min. Min is easier. Tail the truck. Where did the truck go? I was looking at chat. Come on, let's go. Let's look at the truck. Where's the truck? Truck. Oh no. Where's the truck? I lost the truck completely. There's the truck. Alright, let's go.
That is the last. Can't lose that truck.
I lost the truck. I was looking at
Secret clubhouse.
Hey, True. Hello, True. Are we gonna... No shirtless cam? Leave stream. Hey, True. Are we gonna stream something you and me this week, huh? Some Minecraft? Some Minecraft? Don't lose the truck! Lose the truck immediately. I was looking at chat.
That Oscorp tech will go to their superiors. Do not lose sight of it.
Do not lose sight of it.
Like, well, me.
Let's go! Can I just... Ah, I cannot be spotted apparently. Alright.
Can't lose that truck. It's my ticket to the Russian secret clubhouse. They're just losing them. Gotta catch up.
Did you hear that? It sounded like two voices. I think he's Venom.
We
are Venom.
Why anyone would keep working at Oscorp.
Fuzzbot stopped working. Never happened before. And yes, the window's right in front of my face.
There are a lot of bad guys in there.
Entered Russia's hideout. Hold on.
Profile.
Fuzzbot just died. Never done that. Never done that. Never crashed. Hold on. Wow, today everything is crashing. Come on, stop doing that. Hey, Queen Killer, welcome. Let me see if I can open Fuzzbot again. That's so weird. Let's see. Fuzzbot crashed. Never ever it crashed. Never. Yeah, it's going down. The true vloggy will happen. Ah, Fuzzbot is crashing. I don't know why.
Guys appreciate all the effort I go through looking for them.
Alright, so I guess there's no pants today. Sorry about that. It's not working, Fuzzbot. It keeps crashing. I don't know why, but whatever. Alright, so where do I go in? Through here? Ooh. Ninja Turtles? Oh, yes. Russian hideout is in the sewers, apparently. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. It's your sister, by the way. I know. I can see the username. I can read. I can read. Oh, Spider-Man just belly flopped on the pavement. I'm cringing. I know, right? But I'm looking at chat. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Do I press start? Save without loading. What's going on? Whatever. I don't know what I clicked. I should have looked at the other screen. I'm stupid. I need some adventure, Mike. I have one ready. True. I have one ready. I have one ready. Alright, so I unlocked a figure apparently. So climb down.
I'm guessing this isn't a restaurant guide. The Carnage Killer. These must be all the places where he killed these guys' friends. A lot more than the police know about. I know what Craven would say. A clearer picture of the Predator's hunting grounds.
Yes, because Peter Parker is a professional photographer, but he takes pictures with his phone. Womp womp. What is going on here? Some fighting action is about to go down. Guys, it's very important. I appreciate you being here on the stream, but it's very important that you guys keep it to yourself that I'm Spider-Man, okay? Keep it to yourself, alright? It's a secret. Nobody should know that I'm Spider-Man. Enemies in heavily secured areas are much more alert to anything unusual. Sneak around and take out the guard silently, or the awareness will reach a critical stage and you will fail your mission. Okay. Alright.
So this is where all the cool gangsters hang out.
Oh, so we can see their sight lines. Alright. My spider sense is tingling. He's Iron Man. Come on. Go, come on. No! No, 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 no!
If this keeps up, they'll notice me for sure.
Can you at least say some fun bad guy things like "Curse you, Spider-Man"? He can't take no chances.
No, I missed it. Okay, I pressed the wrong button for some reason. I don't know what I did. That's fine. That's fine. Whatever. Let's try again. Just try again. Try again. Look, is it possible to find some farm in this game? What is it with you and cows, Ivan? It's a bit disturbing. It's a bit disturbing. Right, I'm gonna skip the cutscene now. Oh, I can't. I cannot skip the cutscene.
I'm guessing this isn't a restaurant guide. The Carnage Killer. These must be all the places where he killed these guys' friends. A lot more than the police know about. I know what Craven would say. A clearer picture of the Predator's hunting grounds.
Hey, but Ivan, if you stick around, I'll kill a few cows for you on Minecraft. On Friday. With True. Alright, come on, just skip this whole thing. I cannot skip the cutscene, eh? Come on. Right. No. Alright, so, try again. I kid you not, guys. I spent all week trying to buy this game.
This is where all the cool gangsters hang out.
So you press the RB, oh LB to stealth takedown. I knew it. Web shoes. Which one is the B button? I keep confusing because I don't have an Xbox controller. I don't know what. I do actually have one, but it runs on batteries. So, settings, controls, control scheme. So which one is the B button? Alright, so it's this one. Alright, X, Y. Alright. I need to memorize what is what. They know what is what they don't know what is. Those cows will taste my bloodstone sword. Vloggy, I got my recording gear. Nice! Nicey. So, web shoot. Oh, yeah! Come on. Is it gonna... Oh, no! Okay, so it will eventually come back. This is stupid. I'm enjoying this. I'm really enjoying this.
I have seen more of these task force fools flying around like pigeons. One of them arrested Arcady.
Flying around like pigeons.
Well protected. Very hard to get to. Then maybe we get to the men who pay them.
What the heck?
Let's not fight. Ah, never mind. Let's fight. Some days you just got it.
Okay, so the awareness level never goes down, it just goes up and never goes down. That is stupid. I thought it would go down, you know, after I take down the guy that spotted me. That's weird. That is weird. That is sausage, alright? That is very sausage. I should climb the wall, actually, it's true. But not from here. Hello? What's that laser over there? What is it?
Help! I see him!
What? No, he doesn't see me. Okay, he does see me. Alright.
They're getting suspicious. I'm dangerously close to blowing my cover.
There! Get him!
Are you deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of mime thing?
If this keeps up, they'll notice me for sure.
I love how you get the reminder. I like that. This game is made by the Batman comes out. No, but it's inspired, obviously. It is very inspired. Of course it is, I mean. And it's a very good formula, you know. I need to play that game again, you know. Oh, there's another guy. How do I crouch? I don't know.
Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want? Because she was wrong.
One last guy and I'm spotted, huh? One last guy and I'm spotted. But I think it's the only one guy left, I think. I don't even see him, but there he is.
The spider!
No! Come on, man!
We should go.
come on! What is that anyway? Is that like the Iron Spider suit or something? Come on, man. I thought it would go down the detected level thingy, the awareness or whatever it's called. Ugh, man, I'm gonna have to go through the cutscene again. Come on, this is lousy. This is lousy.
This isn't a restaurant guide.
Come on.
The Carnage Killer. These must be all the places where he killed these guys' friends. A lot more than the police know about. I know what Craven would say. A clearer picture of the Predator's hunting grounds.
Hey gamer, welcome. Hey Just Gaming, welcome. Nice to see you for some Spider-Man action. I'm sucking at this, but I'm trying my best. I am trying my best. It's blind. I should put in the title that it's blind. It's a blind playthrough. Let's try again. I cannot be detected. Alright, okay, I know about this. Just got back from work.
This is where all the cool gangsters hang out.
It's the best part of the day, isn't it? When you get back from home, you chill with a drink or something, I don't know. In my case...
You webbed your nostrils.
In my case, a glass of wine.
Snore. No need to thank me.
Whiskey's already rich, but he's holding a fundraiser. Start to other rich men for money to fight crime.
Alright, so how am I gonna take both of them?
Wants to fight us, eh? Fine. Let's see if he has the stomach for it.
Have you seen him? He has the stomach for anything.
I don't know what that does, but whatever.
The spider!
Oh, come on, are you kidding me?
Get him!
Just send me the dry cleaning bill.
Are you kidding me?
You're getting suspicious. Spider Slam! I'm still experimenting with the catchphrases. What do you think?
The spider! Come quickly!
How did you get me?
I'm dangerously close to blowing my cover.
Come on, why did you go down again? You stupid booblet!
Task Force fools.
Oh, come on.
One of them arrested Arcady.
Oh, come on, why are you going down?
They're well paid and well protected.
We must leave!
God dang it!
Maybe we get to the
Okay, no problem, Midna. Make me something to eat as well. How's my day? I slept most of it. I slept most of my day. Then woke up, and I cooked, and I ate, and I cleaned up, and I'm playing video games. That's my day. And it's 5 PM right now, almost. 6 minutes to 5 PM. That's my day. That's my day. And after this, I don't know, I'm gonna be streaming for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. And then, I'm gonna take a nap again. Oh man, I have to watch the cutscene again! There's no way to skip this. I cannot believe this. There isn't a way to skip this cutscene. It's so weird.
The Carnage Killer.
It's so
These
strange.
must be all the places where he killed these guys' friends.
Oh, hold to skip. No, it doesn't work.
Then the police know.
Hold what to skip
know what
then?
Craven would say. A clear
Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Okay, that just made it a bit easier. It's almost 8 AM over there. Nice. Alright, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
So this is where all the cool gangsters hang out.
The cool gangsters, I'm gonna take them out. 1, 2.
Fisk is already rich, but he's holding a fundraiser.
Fist is already rich.
To other rich men for money to fight crime.
He wants to fight us, eh? Fine. Let's see if he has the stomach for it.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Seen him? He has the stomach for anything.
That's a drone or something of some sort, but I'm gonna take those guys out. I don't know how, but I'm gonna do that. Come on!
When you put forth this week in effort, I kinda feel like you don't respect me.
Alright, so far so good. Let's keep this going, man. Getting close to the thing.
Get him!
What the heck? Who saw me? Can I get him? Yes, I can. There's one guy down below. I need to be careful.
Don't feel bad. You're not. All right, you're not good.
They're so cute when they're asleep.
I did it! Yeah, baby!
What I could do with equipment like this. Harry won't mind if I borrow this for a little while.
Spider-Man stealing. So we unlocked the suit apparently. You have unlocked an awesome new suit for Spider-Man to wear. Each suit will provide different bonuses to our favorite web slinger. Don't hesitate to return to Aunt May's house to change to. Do you want to switch to? No. I like this suit. Oh, hello, lady.
You'll be dead before you see me move.
Better go see what that was.
Hey, girl. I don't even see her. I cannot even detect her with my spider sense. It's not this run. It's not this way. Nope.
I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guy in the face is fun.
It looks so much better than last time, eh? Spider sense! What did you say? I'd be dead before I see you move, huh? Ooh, she's strong.
Okay, lady, how much coffee did you drink?
I'm still waiting for a challenge.
Hey, pay attention. I'm gonna do this again for your benefit.
I'm gonna guess this was not a meeting of the Wilson Fisk fan club. Craven, I'm sending you pictures. The first one looks like a map of places the Carnage Killer struck.
Ah, yes. Good. Good. The more we can learn of his habits, the better.
Next up is a flyer for an anti-crime fundraiser hosted by Wilson Fisk. I think they're gonna try and kill him there. Even if Fisk is crooked, I can't let them do that. Especially with all those innocent people around.
The fundraiser is tonight. They will have put their plan into action already. You must go to the location and stop them.
Just one problem. I don't have an invitation. And I'm guessing you don't either.
Then we must improvise. I am too well known to bypass security. But under your mask, Spider-Man, nobody knows who you are.
Here's a hint. I'm not rich enough to go to this.
Then you will find a way. I believe in you.
Well, I mean, he is a journalist, well, photographer. No one is safe from me. No, not even me. What? Nobody's safe. Let's go. The Daily Bugle.
Wouldn't mind chatting with Fisk. See what he knows about all this.
Well, I want to take a look at the...
I kinda have a feeling he's not the most approachable guy in the world.
I want to take a look at the Empire State Building
None of it matters if I can't get inside. Wait, I think I've got it. With that fundraiser's level of security, I can't use my press pass to bluff my way in. Unless I'm really supposed to be there. The photographer needs a reporter. And I bet I know one who's already planning to go.
Oh, hello. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I spotted something. Hello, comic book.
It's my lucky day.
Alright, let's go see the Empire State Building. Look how pretty! Let's go. Come on, you can do this, Spider-Man. Spider-Man!
Can't be late to the fundraiser. Or Fisk will eat all the hors d'oeuvres himself.
That was a fat joke. I see what you did there. I'm gonna go get the... Found the comic book again.
I'll take that.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm on top of the Empire State Building.
Missing that fundraiser.
I'm not missing the fundraiser. I just want to take a look at the Empire State Building. I haven't been here yet. There we go. Whee! Hey, look at that. I cannot look down though. I mean, I can, but I cannot see the actual building. Whatever. Let's go to the Wilson Fisk whatever. Yes, we are gonna get back to the Minecrafting for sure.
Wonder what Jonah Jameson complained. I can't risk being late to the fundraiser. The Russians could make their move any time.
We are definitely getting back to Minecraft on Friday. Definitely. It looks awesome now, huh? It looks awesome now, huh? It looks awesome. Now it looks awesome. Hold on. How are you, Inferno? Stop it, because we have another. Hey, cheers here as well. Stop it, Inferno, because we have another PC gamer here. He has like a beast of a PC built, but then he plays Mario Kart on
Make
it.
it to the fundraiser soon. Things could get ugly.
Enter the theater. It's cold, isn't it?
I don't know.
He's gonna go dressed like that? Seriously, Peter Parker? I mean, you don't have... I know you're not rich, but come on, you must own a suit or something. Come on. Come on, dude. Are you gonna go with the hoodie? Yes, he is. Alright.
Oh,
fundraiser.
Thanks again for using me on this.
Hey, I get it. College is expensive. You want to make easy money taking boring pictures of wrinkly rich people? Go nuts. But you should probably stay away from me.
Let me guess, you've got some pointed questions about the task force?
Among other things. I give it 10 minutes before I get kicked out.
Hey, Harry!
Pete! Oh man, I know we haven't seen each other much since we were kids, but this doesn't seem like your kind of scene.
Society pages. I'm a part-time photographer for the Bugle. Smile. Great, got it. Thanks.
Alright, so let's have a conversation. I cannot see the questions. I cannot see the questions. Hold on, because it doesn't fit in my monitor. I didn't go for full screen. I should have went for full screen, but whatever. So, why are you working with Fisk? Let's start with that one.
Hey, I gotta ask. Why Fisk? I hear some pretty shady rumors about him.
He's the only one rich enough who is willing to work with me. I've got
okay, Inferno. Shower properly, alright?
Worrying about
shower
people
properly.
Attacking Oscorp. And our public image could use a boost. I'll tell you this though. The rumors are true. Fisk is definitely
the rumors are true. You see,
stuff,
it's true, Nightfall.
But good luck proving it.
It's true. The rumors are true. That was lame. I'm sorry. Alright, so let's see.
Fisk is putting a pretty big target on his back. Why do you think he does it?
He grew up in Hell's Kitchen. Lots of crime, gangs. I think this is his way of taking control. standing up to the guys who bullied him when he was a kid. But knowing Fisk, he's also got a plan in place to profit from it.
Actually, Chair, I was talking about True having a gaming PC and plays Mario Kart. But I guess you too now, you fit the criteria. I don't like playing games on PC. I'm playing this one really because I couldn't find it on a console. I spent all week looking for this game. I couldn't find it anywhere. Philly, welcome. 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 Nice to see you. Last question.
Whitney Chang says the cops on the task force are crooked too.
I just supply the tech. Fisk handpicked the men. But the police chief cleared them all.
The chief's desperate to stop the crime wave. He's not gonna argue with the guy who's helping him do that.
Well, one thing's for sure. The task force is getting results. And no one likes to mess with success.
Huh.
Is that it? That's it. Let's go.
Drinks, gentlemen.
Drinks, gentlemen.
Take.
Whoops. Sorry.
You know, don't worry about it. I gotta go anyways. I've got,
because he was Russian. The waiter was Russian, and he was suspecting that he is, like...
Me too.
Alright, so I'm gonna walk around as
fishy about that guy.
Yes, he was Russian.
Him.
Yes, follow him. I hate the fact that he's wearing his hoodie at a benefit. Come on, dude. Look at everyone wearing their evening dresses and stuff, and you're like, I know you're working, but still. If I was a photographer at a big event, I'd still wear my suit.
Time to get into my work clothes.
Time to get into my work clothes. Alright, you do that, buddy. Change to Spider-Man. Crawl.
No doorbell. Guess I better get creative.
I like the scrolling sequence. Hello, Mousy. Mwah.
Please, what do you want?
From you, nothing. We just need your waiter uniform so we can serve Fisk
Rescue the
a
hostages.
special recipe.
What are you gonna do with us? This one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
I saw something!
Et voila!
Thank you. I was so scared.
Thanks for liberating me, bro.
You're all rescued, buddies. You guys okay? You want me to punch you? No? Look at that. He doesn't punch, he just does that gesture. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, guys. You're okay, guys. Now, why are you still scared? Oh, whatever. Let's look around. Ooh, what's over here?
That's what I'm talking about.
What did he find? Ah, some XP probably. Where do I get this? Steam or... Oh, that's a very good question, Toxic. That is one of the good questions that you can ask about this game. This game has been taken off the shelves. I couldn't find it anywhere. It's not on Steam, it's not on the PSN store, nothing. I wanted to get a hard copy, I couldn't find it anywhere in the stores. I mean, my only option was eBay. I'm like, I don't want to wait. So no, I had to pirate this, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not promoting piracy. I tried to buy it legit, but I had to pirate because I couldn't find it.
Open sesame.
Open salami.
Okay, that didn't work. On to plan B.
On to plan B. Huh. Yeah, $40 for a game this is 2000. Is it 14? I think. All right, what did I do wrong? Let's try again. Let's go. Web rush. Come on! Why didn't you web rush? Let's try again. It's very specific. Yeah, you can pirate it. I want to buy it on the console. I'm more of a console gamer, to be honest with you. So if I had the option to play it on console, I'd rather buy it on console. Ah, come on, dude, really? It's not working. It is not working. I don't know why. Let's try again. What the heck? Why did you aim on that one? Okay, I'm getting angry now. There we go. That took forever. Yeah, I don't mind the bugs. I mean, it's still one of the better Spider-Man games. I just can't wait for the Spider-Man for the PS4. I just can't wait. So I'm like, I'm gonna be playing this one for the time being. I'm going in completely blind. I've never played this before.
Just what I want.
Before. Oh, hello.
Who can resist that?
Can I open this door? No.
You won't get me so easily, Spider!
Okay, the danger is over here, and then what? I see it, then what? Aha! Oh, I like your beard, it's very plasticky. Hold B.
Money doesn't play favorites, neither does the seismic blast.
What's going on? Oh no, more bad guys! Let's take care of the bad guys, the little ones first, and then... Whoa. Did they get hurt? Feels like it. Yeah, I can't wait for the new one.
It's different fighting man to man, huh?
I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun.
Is that it? Okay, nice. Defeat the Russian gang, and they have been defeated. Yeah, can't wait for the PS4 game. I also have another PS3 Spider-Man game I never finished. Shattered Dimensions. I never finished that one.
Well, I saved Fisk from the Russians. Now to find out if I have to save anyone else from him.
Perch. What's Perch? Play audio log. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Change back to Peter Parker. Eavesdrop on the guests. Okay, fair enough.
Nobody knows Fisk as well as these folks. Better keep my ears open. Oh yeah!
The problem is the gangs have all this money.
Do I play any other games? Right now, currently, I mean, I just started Pokemon. I'm playing Dragon Ball Fighters. I want to call it Fighter Z, but Fighters. I love to play Minecraft.
I'm not thrilled with the idea of donating money to help the police do their job.
It's not their fault. No police force is equipped for the problems they've had lately. That lizard creature, Spider-Man.
I suppose you're right. It's a new world.
I'm listening, sorry.
Dangerous one.
I'm not a big fan of shooters. I like Resident Evil, but it's not a shooter. I mean, it's not a first-person shooter. I love Pokemon. I love adventures. Nobody's talking.
The task force hassles my friends a lot. They don't seem to think they need a reason.
Is that it?
ironic for Wilson Fisk to be having an anti-crime fundraiser?
There's a big difference between white-collar crime and people shooting each other in the streets. If Fisk can end the gang wars, what do I care if he cheats on his taxes?
Sup, girl?
So, this is gonna sound like a bad pickup line, but you seem really familiar. Have we met?
Judging from your bargain basement suit, I doubt we move in the same circles.
That's a very good answer.
I get it. One with a silver spoon in your mouth, huh?
Hardly. For me, silver's an acquired taste.
Well, I'm here for the Daily Bugle.
Hey, you.
So,
thank you for subscribing to Vloggy.
You know anything interesting about Fisk?
Thank you for subscribing to VloggyBuddy.
Rich older
Thank
men,
you so much.
And you're scaring him off. So I'll have to say goodbye. Look me up when you move out of your mom's basement.
I don't live with my mom. I live with my aunt. Well, nice meeting you. My name's Peter. As if you care.
I'm Felicia.
Felicia Hardy.
But what?
I had a feeling she was Felicia. Oh, it's the Kingpin. Sorry, Wilson Fisk.
Well, he knows how to make an entrance. By blotting out the sun. Time to talk to the big man himself.
Where is he? Where'd he go? Ah, he already disappeared? Alright.
Hey, back off.
Should I tell Whitney Chang he has no comment on the Russian mobsters tied up downstairs?
It's all right. I like this young man's boldness. He mustn't reveal that to anyone. It would play into the criminals' hands. They want to make people afraid to support my anti-crime efforts.
But if no one knows what they did, they'll get away with it. And try again.
Oh, I assure you, they will not get away with it.
Meaning what, exactly?
Well, the task force will get them, of course. We've been gathering intelligence on this organization for some time.
But no one's been able to stop them yet. Not the police, not Spider-Man.
Don't say that name to me! Spider-Man. He fancies himself a hero. But he's let crime run rampant. The police are bound by the laws of probable cause. Spider-Man is not. If he hasn't stopped this scum by now, he's either incompetent or he simply doesn't care.
Oh, yeah, it's time for me to ask him some questions. No, it's there, it's definitely there. That's where I got it from, like a day or two ago, so you'll find it toxic. No worries, you would definitely find it. So, let's talk about the Carnage Killer first. Let's start with the problem with Spider-Man, actually.
What's your beef with Spider-Man? Seems like you're after the same thing.
If Spider-Man is going to operate outside the law, one would think he can accomplish things more expediently. But he contents himself with apprehending purse snatchers. He's a dilettante, a thrill seeker, worse than useless. Still, he does seem popular with children. In fact, I recently secured his likeness rights.
You what?
What? That's a good one. Nice. Good one. Alright, I was gonna say something else. Let's go with the Carnage Killer now.
How about this Carnage Killer? Is the task force chasing him?
We are interested in catching anyone who commits a crime. But it's a lot harder to find one man than an entire gang of them.
And I bet the fact he's killing guys you don't like doesn't exactly bother you.
I do not condone murder, of course. But am I shedding tears for his victims? No, I am not.
Last question.
Gathering intelligence, huh? Find out anything interesting?
The Russians are clever. They operate in cells, each knowing very little about the others. When one group is taken down, it rarely leads to further arrests.
But someone's got to be calling the shots.
Well, they do have a central base of operations, but very few know where it is. Finding it will be another matter entirely.
Alright, let's wrap this up.
It's this very ward that will be the end of the gangs. The more they escalate, the harder it becomes for them to hide.
Wait, are you saying the Russians are still smuggling guns into the city?
Don't put words in my mouth, young man. I'm just a backer. I leave the crime fighting to trained professionals. Now, excuse me. I have funds to raise.
Funds to raise.
Yeah, I've got, important things to do, too.
Alright, so. Exit the theater. Alright, let's get out of here. I just realized it is a theater. I had no idea. I just realized it is a theater. Okay. Okay. I thought it was just a hall or something. I don't know. I just realized it is a theater. Look. It's a very small one, but it's a theater. Yes. Nobody's safe. Now where do I go from here then?
That map I found showed a lot of Russian mob activity around a trucking company. Seems like the perfect cover for bringing weapons into the city. Today only.
Oh, I found another comic
of
book
weapons,
over there.
get
Two
one
of them,
Spider-Man
actually.
at no extra charge.
Alright, let's go get the comic books.
This just in, Webbs needs something to stick to. If this costume made my butt look big, somebody would tell me, right?
Let me just go get the comic books real quick. I'm getting addicted to the comic books, you see now what happens? Okay. Where is it? I hear it. Oh, there it is.
I can check that one off my list.
I'm sure there was another one. Where is it? There it is.
That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, let's continue with the mission. Which is over here. Let's go.
Time for alternative transportation. Funny how when crime's up, it's my fault. And when it's down, everyone forgets I exist.
Oh, another comic book. I'm gonna end up collecting all of these. Because I'm addicted now.
Just what I wanted.
Let's go. Follow the Russian thugs. Sure.
Quick, before those task force idiots see us.
Relax. We set a car on fire 10 blocks away. They're distracted by that.
I haven't done this kind of heavy lifting in years.
Me neither. But there's a reason we've lasted this long. Not many of our soldiers even know about this place.
Yeah, here. I guess everyone's a big shot. Is it true what they say about the killer? Is he one of the cross species?
I heard he is just a man.
If that's true, Jack the Ripper was just a man. I am telling you.
That's the kind of heavy artillery you see in a combat zone. I can't let it hit the streets.
Alright, let's go.
Can you at least say some fun bad guy things like, curse you? And boom goes the dynamite. Feel bad? You're not. Alright, you're not good. Why can't they all be like that?
Is he down? Ah, okay. It was just dizzy.
That was fun. Let's do it again. Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want? Because she was wrong. And of course the Daily Bugle never gets pictures of me winning like this.
It's up to you to get the pictures, Peter. So, yeah.
Get him! Slow and
Uh-oh.
This one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
Is that all you've got?
There's two of you, that's the thing.
Shall we dance?
Yes, baby, let's dance.
Deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of mime thing?
Alright, let's do this.
Can't leave dangerous weapons lying around. Do what I do best. Break things. 2 down, 2 to go.
You're gonna go up there, yeah? Only Spider-Man climbs a ladder like that. Let's go up the roof.
Osta ragazza! He's here!
Oh yeah!
Ah, never mind. Let's fight.
What are you doing?
It's like a bouncy house. Am I right?
Those weapons hit the streets, it'll be a disaster. I'll make sure that doesn't happen.
There's to be another one here somewhere.
I like my weapons like I like my chocolate. Melted and in tiny little pieces.
Oh man, good one. Oh, there's more guys over there. I disarmed them. I disarmed one of them.
Hey, pay attention.
Let me disarm this guy.
I just called the...
There we go. Oopsie.
The bad guys are upping their game. I'll take that.
Where's the other one? It's up there? Really? Let's go up there then.
I can check that one off my list.
Oh my goodness, where'd he go? He flew away. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's still dizzy. Did I die? Oh my goodness! Okay, I was getting cocky. I'm sorry. That's what happens when you get cocky. Let's go. Let's try again. Am I gonna do this all over again? From scratch? No, I got 3. Nice. Alright, so... I go up there. What, you have me? You know you don't.
You put forth this week and effort? I feel like you don't respect me.
I might just have a future at this.
I lost 3 men to that carnage killer. If someone doesn't get him soon...
Patience, Misha. I hear we are making progress.
This is... Oh, snap! If you were awake, you'd be impressed.
Sometimes, I even impress myself.
Alright, if you say so. Let's finish this.
That's the kind of heavy artillery you see in the combat zone. Can't let it hit the streets. I bet they're wishing...
I'm telling you, he's right where we left him. Your men are panicking like children.
I believe you. Just show me so I can tell them I saw it with my own eyes.
Better yet, take a picture with your phone. You can show them yourself. We've beaten him senseless.
Let's go.
We've got him! Can you at least say some fun bad guy things like curse you?
Oh, okay, let's take away his weapon.
I'm still experimenting.
Who's got a weapon again? I think I recollected his weapon. That's interesting.
You are just a little man. I will crush
You want this arm now?
Deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of mime thing?
What's that over there? That's big marker. That's purple marker. I have no idea. I have no idea what that purple marker is. Whatever. Yes.
Please, I keep telling you, I'm not who you think. I sell advertising. Then why did someone break in here to save you, huh? I don't know what you're talking about. Makes sense now, eh? A weakling like you could never kill our men alone. Tell us who you're working with. Talk! Nobody. Oh, please. Please, nobody.
guy's no killer.
Nope.
Please! I haven't done anything!
You like that? You'll love this.
They're killing him. Move now.
I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys.
Spider-Man! I knew it! He's working with a killer! I will make you bleed.
Oh.
This is what everyone fears? He's a joke!
Where's everyone else? Oh, you're still not done? There we go. Boom.
If I was working with the Carnage Killer, you'd be dead right now.
Alright, let's go.
Be glad you were wrong. These guys seem to think you killed a bunch of their friends.
It's not true. It's not true. I was going to my car, and I saw someone attack one of these Russian guys. He's the killer, not me.
How'd you end up here?
I yelled. Then the killer ran. I went to see if I could help the victim. Then his friend showed up. My hands were bloody. But
hey,
they wouldn't believe that I didn't do it.
This man you say was the real killer. What does he look like?
White, red hair, skinny, wild eyes.
Alright. He's
Strength
describing...
of a madman. Not the kind of madman I work with.
He's describing
License
Cassidy.
says you live in Jersey. If you can prove you weren't in the city when the Carnage Killer struck, I'll let you go.
No problem. I was in San Diego all last week, at a convention.
That's the ambulance I called. You'll be okay now.
So you just took his word for it? I was in San Diego. Alright. Fair enough.
Craven, I've got a description of the Carnage Killer.
Excellent. I've used the map you provided to identify his hunting grounds.
You think he'll be out tonight?
A true predator never stops the hunt, my friend. Meet me at the location I am sending you.
Alright, we're very close. Actually, we're not. Looks like we're close, but we're not. Alright, let's go.
You know, I'd love to know how the task force is gonna stop the crime wave when all they ever do is come after me.
Gluggy booty. How are you, Dada? Been dying to play this game. Come on, come on, come on! Hang! Ugh. I hear a comic book. I hear a comic book here somewhere. I see one. There's one over there flying. Can I grab it? Can I grab it? Hold on. Oh, it's flying away though. Come on, get closer. That's a comic book. I need to grab it. Come on. Come on. I missed! No! What is wrong with me? Let's try again. Where is it? I want to grab it now. No! I missed again! Ah, man. Oh, I fell down on the floor. Now I'm very far away from it. Am I? It's up there, 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 up there. Let's try again. What am I doing wrong? Ah, whatever. I keep failing. Ah, whatever. Let's go. I'm being attacked now again. I'm being attacked by these stupid drones. It's not fair. I'm being attacked! Ah man, getting confused now.
Who could resist that?
There you are.
That's him!
Wait. You can only truly know your prey by watching him stalk his own.
Oh, what? We found him? Oh, there he is!
Please, dude, I didn't have anything to do with that drive-by. I was just a wheelman.
Wheelman? Who saw all those people die?
Yeah?
Oh, you admit it? Good. Now you're going to tell me all about it. Then, you're going to give me answers. The spider. I'm a big fan of the look, but your execution? Boring. You know, real spiders liquefy their prey from the inside. You should think about it.
And you're the carnage killer. Why'd you do it? I get having a grudge against criminals, but...
Not criminals, killers. No one knows death better. What do they see when they feel her cold arms wrap around them? What special insights do they have? There's so much to learn.
You're crazy.
And you're welcome.
For what?
Doing what you want to, but can't.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'll show you. I could teach you how to be a real predator. The spider you're just pretending to be. Take off your mask, Spider-Man. I need to see your eyes when you die. You're scared of death. Embrace it.
I'm not scared.
I know the truth. In your darkest moments, you wish you were strong enough to be like me. Admit it. Give in to it.
Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want?
No, you don't have even. You don't even have a knife now.
That's it. Go ahead. Kill me. You know you want to.
No, I don't kill.
I told him you'd never be like me.
You're done, Cletus Cassidy.
Thanks for the help.
You chose to disregard my advice. So, I assumed you preferred to handle matters yourself.
What was that anyway? You expected me to just stand there and watch him kill that guy?
Or stop him. Permanently. I am trying to unleash the killer instinct in you, boy. The one you try so hard to deny.
That's not who I am. And it's not who I want to be. Ever.
Then, there will always be a greater predator than you.
I guess we'll find out.
Look how big he is compared to him. I like that. Like a Spider-Man as a kid. Oh, there's Cletus Cassidy.
Thanks for the smooth ride. I sincerely hope I can return the courtesy by slaughtering you quickly and with minimal agony.
Good day, Mr. Cassidy. My name is Donald Mencken. I want to assure you that you are a most valued guest here at Ravencroft.
We're going to learn a lot from you.
And I'll learn a lot from you. Answers you don't even know you have.
Eager. I like that. Well then, let's get started, shall we?
Okay. Interesting. This is the girl we met at the theater, at the fundraising. She's the Black Cat. Alright.
Calling all task force personnel. Due to increased violence involving the gang war and the suspect known as Spider-Man, you are now free to employ extraordinary measures. Enter phase 2 of the suppression initiative immediately.
What is going on? Oh, the menace level went up. Alright. Let me answer my phone real quick.
Spidey, it's Whitney. You know I support what you do. So here's a word to the wise. Look out for the task force.
So what else is new?
Alright, things just got harder because... Back from my washi-washi.
Remain on high alert. We've got multiple gang wars breaking out over the Russians' old territories. Everybody wants a piece. It's like the Old West out there, so be careful.
Dispatch, my informants keep telling me about a new figure called the Kingpin, who's
Hold on a sec, let me just see if I can do some good. Because what's this, for example? Task Force, what's this? Russian hideout. What's this? Photo investigation, photo investigation. What's this? Petty crime. Let's stop this petty crime. Let's go get it.
a power vacuum. No one seems to know his real name. Could you get some information on that for me?
Kingpin? Great. That's all I need. Some new wannabe trying to build an empire.
Escort units, move into position around the convoy. Keep your eyes peeled. We're moving this evidence because too many bad guys want it. Don't expect them to let it go without a fight.
Oh no, 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 I'm being attacked.
Available units, please respond to a disturbing the peace situation. Suspects may be armed.
You got out of jail awful fast.
Oh, you're all hat, no cat. Skinny, ain't you?
So maybe I can lower the crime rate and stop being hunted. So let's see. Now, petty crime defeated.
Boredom.
Neighborhood residents thanked Spider-Man for cleaning up their community, calling him, quote, one of us.
One of us, one of us, one of us. So, come on, show me the meter going down a little bit. Heroic act, come on. There we go. Oh my goodness, I need to do at least 3 more. Alright, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's just... I need to lower the threat. Map. Alright, so another petty crime. Can you show me another petty crime? What's this? Oh, this is a big one. Bombs. Find the bombs and toss them into a safe area. Let's do this. Let's do this one. Is this it? Yes, this is it. No, hold on.
Appreciate you being here. They won't tell us what we're got. They said it's dangerous. And bad guys want it.
My pleasure. The last thing any of us need is more dangerous stuff on the streets. being very subtle, are they?
Alright, so... Nope, 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 nope. Destroy turret, come on!
Hey, Spidey! This look as suspicious to you as it does to me?
Alright, what's going on?
Stop there! We'll fill you full of holes!
Be cool, we just want your cargo.
Think about it. Is that stuff worth your life? They're all tricks. Oh, tricks.
And the judges give Spidey perfect score! Okay, the judges are just in my head, but still.
Nice going, Spidey. Jump on. I have a feeling there's more where that came from.
I hope not. I hope it's not the case. Come on. Come on, jump on! Oh my goodness. There we go.
Spider-Man, do me a favor and look up ahead.
What's going on? Spider sense.
The car's wired to explode. Gotta try to
RP
neutralize
to disarm.
Booyah! Dunked it! Better up there than down here.
That would be the perfect spot for an ambush. Turn off the engine and get out. Last chance. Move it, guys. Get it unloaded now.
Oh no.
Et voila! That was harder than it should have been.
Spidey, can you move that?
Move what? Okay.
Good work, Spidey. Come on, we're moving out.
These guys aren't messing around.
Come on. God dang it.
Give them this.
What the heck? What's he doing? Oh my goodness. He just felt like zipping through another area. Come on, the turret. Come on. But that where to go? Okay.
Car bombs. If they go off here, it'll be a disaster.
Come on! Look at that.
Dispatch car 228, we
Alright.
checked out the game museum. Nothing happening. We talked to the lady who called. She still swears she saw Spider-Man breaking in. But that place is locked up tight. No alarms have been tripped.
Copy that, 228. She probably read one too many of Jameson's editorials.
Kane Museum. That's not far. Might as well check it.
Subdue the criminals and break the deadlock. Car chase. Let's do this.
My reputation's bad enough without getting blamed for pilfering Picassos. Web slinging fail!
I was following the wrong thing. I was following the wrong marker. God dang it. I just realized. Whatever, let's continue the story then, I suppose. Isn't this the museum? To go through the roof, apparently. Come on. Let's go.
Yo, I bet that's worth some bank.
Hands off. Stick to the plan. We're waiting for the spider. You set off an alarm and bring the cops. No amount of money's gonna save you from the kingpin. You dig?
You dig?
They're setting a trap for me with idiots like this? Not gonna happen. Better take out the cameras, or the cops will blame this all on me. Let's see what I can do before they figure out I'm here.
Why did it have to be a museum? Museums are lame. I feel like I'm back in school.
They had field trips in reform school? Yeah, shut your mouth.
He spotted me.
You're just a scrawny kid, ain't you?
Are there more cameras? Alright.
Don't feel bad! You're not! Alright, you're not good.
Yo, over here!
There's 12 guys here, huh?
Hey, bro, that you?
Felicia, why am I not surprised?
Is our relationship getting predictable? Let me see what I can do to bring the excitement back.
This is why they call me amazing. It's my lucky day.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I expected better from you, Felicia.
What am I supposed to do? Work retail? You don't need hot guys in skin-tight spider costumes selling shoes.
You could have hooked up with me. I mean, yeah, I meant work with me. Or take down bad guys instead of being one.
It's my nature to break the rules, Spider. You should try it sometime.
It's annoying because she feels like a ripoff of the Catwoman. I don't like that.
But working for the Kingpin, Felicia? Organized crime? You're better than that. No pictures.
This ain't right. We weren't supposed to fight the spider alone. You were supposed to help us, lady.
Let that be a lesson to you, fellas. Follow a woman just because you like the way she fills out a catsuit? You'll be disappointed every time.
That's a first. No man's ever called me disappointing before. You just haven't given me a Spider.
I want to, do the right thing. But your track record isn't great.
There's one guy left. Here, buddy. There he is.
Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want? Because she was wrong.
Exactly, yeah, that's her. Inferno, yeah, that's her. There she is. There she is.
Should I have served my time like a good little girl? Get out when I'm old and wrinkly? I don't think so.
You're saying the Kingpin got you out of jail? How much power does this guy have?
That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Felicia.
Power. His, yours, and mine.
We're gonna fight? Alright! Nice, I like that.
When you put forth this week in effort, I kinda feel like you don't respect me.
Oh no, no, no! Crap. I don't see her, she's fast. What's up, girl? You're fast.
Did that hurt? Let me kiss it and make it better.
Okay, giggity. What the heck? Okay, that was wow. She wrecked me. All right, that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna do this. Nice boss fight. Because Cassidy was a bit of a disappointment when it comes to boss fights. So.
Should I have served my time like a good little girl? Get out when I'm old and wrinkly? I don't think so.
You're saying the Kingpin got you out of jail? How much power does this guy have?
That's what it's all about, isn't it? Power. His, yours, and mine.
Web rush.
I like
this.
to play
Okay,
rough.
no. No, web pull.
Pay attention. I'm not gonna do this again for your benefit.
Have I mentioned I like to watch?
Where'd she go?
This faster than you expected, huh?
She's fast. Oh, whoa.
Worst hide-and-seek player ever.
She's not letting me heal. Oh my goodness. It's getting worse. What the heck?
Can you at least say fun bad guy things like "Curse you, Spider-Man"? I love that one.
Neither of us wants this, but it has to happen. You're just dying to get your hands on me, aren't you? You naughty boy.
I need to heal.
I don't just win.
She's not letting me heal. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna die.
Oh yeah.
She's not letting me heal. She's not letting me heal. heal while I'm like this, though. Oh, it's not working! Actually, my health is going up a little bit, but just a tiny little bit every single time. Oh, look at that! What am I gonna do? What's a good spot to hide? Alright, I think it's gonna have to be enough for now. Felicia! She's everywhere!
I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun.
It's your fault it's come to this.
No, 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 no! God dang it! Look at her health! I was so close. The thing is, I don't know how to heal. She's not letting me heal. Okay.
Let's not fight. Never mind. Let's fight.
Being fresh, but when you dress like that, what do you expect?
She won't let me heal. Alright. Alright, never mind. What if I go up here? Can I go up here? Where is she? Where is she? I don't see her. There she is. Ready, buddy? What if I hit now?
Don't feel bad.
You impressed yet?
No!
The other guy feels when you hide.
Oh my goodness, I'm on danger. Again. And she's not gonna let me heal. What if I keep... Is my health going up at all? Let me just take a look at the screen. Hold on. If it's going up, it's just by a teeny tiny bit every single time. I'm gonna have to keep doing this. Come on, let's change the color from red. At least it goes to orange or yellow or something. I don't want to die. He is healing, right? I'm not imagining this. Oh, whoa. He's not even getting started now. Alright, I think that's gonna be enough for now. Alright, let's go.
Prevented this. I like watching you come into a room.
If it hurts this...
Come on, heal up. Come on, heal up. This is the only way. Spot where she can't reach me or something? I don't know. It's hard, isn't it?
Valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun. Now, on to you.
I hate it when we fight.
No, it's not good. I need to heal.
If it makes you feel...
Oh man, she's not letting me heal. Oh my goodness. I don't want to die. It's not working. Okay, I'm no longer on danger, but still, if I can go up, if I can go up at least halfway health, it would be fantastic. She's not letting me heal. My goodness. Come on, buddy. What is that thing up there anyway? I want to get that thing up there.
Just what I want.
What? Switch off the spider sense!
Can you at least say some fun bad guy things like, "Curse you, Spider-Man"? I love that one.
Going to all this...
Some days you just...
We pretty much have the same health, me and her now, so I should I? Should I take the gamble? Come on, we're getting there. What the heck? I thought she came back. Alright, I think I'm gonna be okay now. Alright, let's go. Wait a minute, I got that notification for him.
Come to pasta.
I know I'm playing hard to get, but I'm worth it.
Oh, I'm healing now. I'm full health. Nice.
Now I'm starting to think you're not really trying.
Haha, babe! Haha!
Your heart wasn't in this, Felicia. Tell me what he did to you.
I was transferred to Ravencroft. The Kingpin came to see me.
Just to be clear, we're talking about Wilson Fisk.
Yes. He said he knew I was after power and he could give it to me.
You'd owe him. That's how it always works, isn't it?
The doctors did experiments. They called it DNA crafting or crisscrossing.
Cross-species genetics? You've seen what can happen. Why would you do that to yourself?
Boy, you are thick. I did it for you, so I'd be like you, so we could be together. But then the Kingpin ordered me to kill you, or die myself. I couldn't. I can't.
Felicia, I don't know what to say.
The game froze.
Don't say anything. I'm not interested in your face.
Okay.
Just your lips.
I can get you help. Witness protection, a new life, safe from the Kingpin. And maybe someday we can get to know each other like normal people.
I don't want to be normal people. Run away with me. We'll go somewhere exotic. With our power, we can live like royalty. Adventure, excitement, romance. And that sounds terrible to you.
No, but I've got responsibilities.
Well, I'm not one of them. Don't worry about me. I've always done fine with a target on my back.
I can't just let you go.
Fisk owns too many cops. If I'm in custody, I'm as good as dead. You can't do that to me any more than I can do it to you. You ever decide you want some fun in your life? Look me up.
Felicia, wait!
It's like the Catwoman, exactly. Motor spider. I was thinking the same thing. Oh man, that cracked me up. Alright, so yeah, but it's like the Catwoman, come on. I don't know who ripped off who. I want to look it up. I want to see who ripped off who. Well, it's just like the Catwoman.
It all makes sense. Fisk becomes the Kingpin by eliminating all his rivals with his anti-crime task force. And the public thanks him for it. He writes a few big checks and everyone looks the other way. But it's not just the task force. I've been taking his enemies down too. And the one who's been pointing me toward them is Kraven. I can't let him get away with this. I need to know more, inside information on Fisk. And I've got an old friend who can get it.
I want to come back to heroic act before I continue. Because. Let's see what's going on here. Photo investigation. There's a bomb. I don't care. Radar, change yourself. Nope. There's a police deadlock. Subdue criminals and break the deadlock. What's this over here? Rescue civilians. Petty crime. Let's go do the petty crime. Let's go fix some crime over here.
I hope the bad guys appreciate all the effort I go through looking for them. Harry probably knows more about Fisk than anyone. If this costume made my butt look big, somebody would tell me, right?
How Felicia would tell you.
Business owner reports suspects disturbing the peace in his parking lot.
You took it. Oh.
Hello. It's the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Spider Slam! I'm still experimenting with catchphrases. What do you think? Why can't they all be like, I was really scared that someone might see me fighting you losers?
Many of the petty criminals apprehended by Spider-Man turned out to be wanted on far more serious charges.
Yay! Alright, so now I'm neutral right now. I'm not even considered a hero right now. But I don't care about the reminder right now. What I want to do is one more. So I'll be considered the hero. Russian hideout, recover stone oscorp technology. I don't care. Bomb. What's over here? Some stuff is going down over here. There's a fire. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rescue some civilians. Come on!
Spider-Man!
Oh
Help out
no!
a retired cop?
Oh no!
There's danger. I can feel it.
How do I rescue this of you? How do I do this? I want to help you, but how?
Can't leave now. People are in trouble. Harry's been working closely with Fisk. Maybe he's got inside info on him. I'm starting to wonder why anyone would keep working at Oscorp.
My kids are never gonna believe this. This looks dangerous. You get workers' comp?
The shaken victim said, if Spider-Man hadn't been there, I don't know what would have happened.
Whatever. Now, I want to go home real quick. I want to see if I can switch my suits or something. Where's Spider home? Is this it? Metro. To return home. Yeah, there we go. Let's go home. Oh, we're close actually. Let's go.
I wonder what Jonah Jameson complained about before I came along. Traffic? Time for alternative transportation.
No, I don't want to go there. Not for now. I want to see if I can change my suit. Inferno. Behave. Oh, behave. Transportation. Where's the... There you are. Where's our home? Yes, let's go home. J. Jonah Jameson, not Jenna Jameson. Oh, you. Let's see what suits have I unlocked. I don't think I've got anything special. Let's see. So I got this one. I got the Ultimate Comics, whatever. I got this with the hair. Spidey with the hair. Iron Spider suit. Vigilante. Disco, good. Disco, good. No, I like this one. I'm gonna stick with this one. I wanted to see if I had this symbiote spider, but I don't. That's what I wanted, really. The symbiote. Hey! Aunt May.
Oh, I am so glad they caught that Carnage person.
Yeah.
It's over. It's finally all over.
Hey, Uncle Ben. Hey, Uncle Ben. Let's get out of here. Let's continue some mission. Yes. I really want the symbiote Spider-Man, but I don't know, might be a while. My ally, my enemy.
It all makes sense. Fisk becomes the kingpin by eliminating all his rivals with his anti-crime task force, and the public thanks him for it. He writes a few big checks and everyone looks the other way. But it's not just the task force. I've been taking his enemies down too. And the one who's been pointing me toward them is Kraven. I can't let him get away with this. I need to know more, inside information on Fisk. And I've got an old friend who can get it.
Who? Enter Harry's
He's more
apartment.
likely to talk to his old pal Peter Parker than some nut in a costume.
Wow. Everyone knows Fisk is crooked. But you're saying he's actually setting himself up as the top crime boss in New York?
That's what I've been hearing. I'm working with Whitney Chang on a story, and she needs proof. You're closer to Fisk than anyone I know.
Not really. He keeps his business private. But, as an investor, I do have access to the task force's financial records.
Oh.
Okay. One of the addresses you gave me came up. Large payments to a security consultant. Fisk handles all the personnel decisions. He's the one who hired this Kravinoff guy. But he cooked the books, so technically, Oscorp's paying him. He's trying to throw me under the bus.
Join the club.
You okay?
Yeah. It's just... I trusted someone I shouldn't have. And I probably should have seen it, but... after losing my dad and Uncle Ben... I guess I wanted to believe...
You wanted a father figure. I know what that's like. My dad shut me out of his life to focus on saving his own. And all he ended up leaving me was the disease that killed him.
Huh?
Oh no! He is diseased. Hey, Jack. Oh, I need to ask questions. How does... Hold on, because I can't really see that far. How does this task force really... Let's start with the disease.
Harry, I'm sorry. What is it?
It's genetic. Very rare. Degenerative. My father extended his life by spending a fortune while he looked for a cure. I don't have that kind of time.
There's gotta be some hope.
Gene therapy. That's what all my dad's research was about.
Is that why Norman started the cross-species experiments?
Yeah. He thought he could give himself the resistance some animals have to conditions like this. But the closest he ever got was the work he did on spiders with your father.
But Dad disappeared. And his work went with him. Your task force. Their body armor has medical applications. Can it help at all?
It's not a cure, but it can give mobility to people who can't get around on their own. The task force has helped me improve on it, and protect my research from criminals who'd steal it. But it was a mistake to work with Fisk.
He knows you're sick?
He figured it out. And now he's waiting for me to die so he can take Oscorp for himself.
That's enough. Let's wrap it up.
Listen, Pete. Take it from a guy who knows. When the people you trust turn their back on you, it's just proof you have to handle your problems yourself. But sometimes, you still need help.
Harry, I'll do whatever I can for you. Just tell me what—
Spider-Man. No one knows for sure how he got his powers. But he looks to me like the only successful, healthy example of cross-species genetics out there. You take pictures of him. You must have some way of reaching him.
Well,
Peter, I need Spider-Man's blood.
I can check that one off my list.
Well, it's been a while since I actually used my points or upgrades to, you know... Look at that, I have 16,000 stuff. Web shoot, efficiency. What does efficiency do? Addition of experimental compounds increases the addition of Spider-Man's webbing, making it stick more to anything or anyone. Let's see what else. Range, spider sense, I don't care. Throw. With the benefit of added experience, Spider-Man has learned how to use momentum from a web brush to help him lift and throw certain large objects. Weapon jam. With practice, Spider-Man learns how to use web pull techniques to yank weapons from... But where did he do that? No. I don't get it. What else? Boost, slingshot. Oh, I like the slingshot. I'm gonna do that one. So to execute the slingshot, hold and press then press A. I wanna try this. Hi Vloggy, there was a mod that fixed RF5 in order to play it via Steam, right? What do you mean? We played online, me and... We played it online, me and what's his name? True. What's his name? Charge rate. Has proved... I want to upgrade the efficiency. Let's get out of here. There we go. Is there a petty crime going on over there? Is there a petty crime going on over there? Let's fix it.
Gonna have to find another way. What makes someone decide to be a henchman?
Suspected burglary in progress. Stand by for location.
Yo, over here!
Hello.
They say bad guys don't think of themselves as bad guys, but come on, you must know.
You're not so scary in person.
I was really scared that someone might see me fighting you losers.
I mean, I got it in Steam, but tells me something about Microsoft Games ate a thing that doesn't exist anymore.
Spider-Man showed once again
that
no
problem.
crime is too small to escape his notice.
I didn't have that problem, Jack. Oh, hello. Right next to me. I like that.
Who could resist that?
Alright, so I'm still heroic level 4 now. What's that gun over there? Subdue criminals by break the deadlock. What's this? Comic stand. I want to check something about my suit actually as well. What about my suit? Nothing. Just some info, apparently. Alright, so let's continue where we left off. Where do I go?
Poor
There
Harry.
we go. Reach Harry's apartment.
I want to help him, but without the proper testing, my blood could actually make things worse. Funny how when crime's up, it's my fault. And when it's down, everyone forgets I exist. Web slinging failed.
It failed, yes. Oopsie. Oh, whatever. So yeah, I never had that problem.
If my blood could cure Harry, I'd give it to him in a heartbeat. But it'll take time and lots of research to find out.
I hear a comic book.
He's in no mood to wait.
Where's the comic book? I hear it. I hear a comic book. Whatever, let's keep going. I'm gonna waste time on the comic book.
That is the last time I eat garlic pizza before putting on the mask. Yikes. If I give Harry my blood without testing it first, it could kill him. Or turn him into a monster like with Dr. Connors. And then who knows how many people he might hurt, or even kill. This just in, Webbs needs something to stick to.
Did I just spot? No.
Maybe Jonah Jameson and I could be friends if we just understood each other better. Nah.
Hello again, Faith. Games for Windows Marketplace does not does error when I try to run the game. Can you try reinstalling the game from scratch, see if it makes any difference? Because I never had that problem.
You came. Thank you. I'll pay whatever you want.
Mr. Osborn, wait. I've checked with scientists familiar with gene therapy, and I can't give you my blood. It's too dangerous.
Dangerous? I'll die without it.
Not right away. There's still time for more research. Every other cross-species subject has turned into a monster. I don't know why it's different from me. I'm looking into it,
I've paid the top minds in the field to look into it. A fortune. They don't have the answers. I'm willing to take the chance.
It's not just about you. The lizard, the other cross species, they hurt people.
Get out.
Kill people.
Just get out.
I can't give you my blood until I know it's safe.
I can't trust anyone.
I'll find out.
I'm on my own.
Mr. Osborn,
No, just go.
Harry's really at the end of his rope. I should have noticed a long time ago, but I was busy being played for a fool by Kraven. I can't believe I fell for his act. But why would he teach me his hunting techniques if he was going to betray me? I guess that's one of the things I'll have to ask him.
Say, yeah, try reinstalling it, see if it fixes anything. I mean... But I don't think there's an issue with regards to... Let's go find Kraven. He made a fool out of me. Now, the door is over here.
Kraven owes me some answers, and he's gonna deliver whether he wants to or not.
Whoopsie. Come on, get up there. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Kraven! Time for a little mentor-mentee chat. Discuss our mutual goals. Map out a 5-year plan. Explain why you're working for a human jello mold.
Looks empty. Maybe I can still find some answers.
He emptied his apartment completely. Oh, I just realized. Look at that. Everything is empty. He took off.
Kraven's gone, but he left in a hurry. I bet there's evidence here if I look hard enough.
Oh, he had one ready for me.
Gotta scan this room every way I can.
It's all for me. He was gonna kill me and stuff me like a trophy. All this time he's been studying me, testing me, figuring out my strengths, and how to beat them.
Danger. Whoa! He's trying to shoot me with the darts, look at that. Oh, he got me.
And how best to set a trap?
You're a fake! A coward! This is your idea of a fair hunt?
Oh no. It's only the prelude.
He's a bad guy. I thought he was the good guy. Because in the animated series in 1994, he was kind of a good guy. I guess he's not a good guy now.
Good. The antidote I gave you should remove all effects of the tranquilizer. I want you at the peak of your abilities.
Stop acting like you're King Arthur. All that talk about honor. You lied to me. Betrayed me. For the Kingpin and his money.
That was incidental. I did not betray you. I truly taught you all I knew. Not just so you eliminate the Kingpin's rivals, but to make you the worthiest possible opponent. The foe I knew you would be. My greatest hunt. Now you are ready. And now we will see who is the hunter and who is the prey.
Alright, Kraven.
So you used me to take out the Kingpin's rivals. What about Cassidy? I noticed you jumped in to stop him talking to me.
Cassidy was useful for a time. He sowed fear and mistrust, but he is little more than a beast. It was inevitable he...
Can't ambush me from the trees.
You've been a poor sport.
You wanted me to watch Cassidy kill that kid.
Why? So I'd kill him? So I'd feel guilty? Just because you're a sick freak?
It was a test to see how strong you could be. You could stomach. I admit, you disappointed me.
I'm still waiting for an explanation for your mustache.
Mustache, mustache. Booyah!
I studied you. You are not capable of this kind of fury. You lack a killer instinct. Come get me, you grasp at shadows. Right here.
True. I get as angry as you do. I want to hurt my enemies just as much. The difference is, I know it's wrong.
Ooh, that was a good camera angle.
It'll be hard to spot him in those trees, but I have to try.
I can smell your fear.
This guy is easier than Black Cat, actually. She gave me a hard. Black Cat gave me a hard time. This guy is okay.
This weak in effort? I kind of feel like you don't respect.
Come get me, boy.
Trees. Gotta find him before he springs a trap.
There is no escape.
There's no point in hiding. She gave me a hard giggity time. Whoa!
To the death.
No, that's your way. On my watch, no one.
She killed me twice, or 3 times in the game. This time, this guy, nothing.
I beg you, kill me. Give me death over defeat.
You're saying death isn't defeat? You planning on coming back as a craven zombie or something? Anyway, I won. That means I call the shots.
What are your terms?
You're a few episodes short of a season, Craven, but you've always had your own loony code of honor. So you're gonna tell me how to get to the Kingpin. The truth. Everything you know.
Very well. You have won that right. Ask, and I shall answer.
Okay, so.
I ran into someone who says Kingpin gets test subjects at Ravencroft. How?
The institution has lost all government funding. It now relies upon private donors, of which Fisk is the largest.
Is it Jack?
Now that Norman Osborn is dead.
And they just let him experiment on inmates like some kind of Dr. Chubbenstein?
Dr. Chubbenstein.
Encourage it. They view the inmates as hopelessly damaged, useful only as test subjects.
I know you. You're always checking out your surroundings. You notice everything.
Yes, it's true. I met with Fisk in his building, where I took note of the locations of his cameras, weapons, and accessible points of entry. He has a Telec 4566 security system, and I know the passwords.
Well, you get a gold star. Draw me a map, and don't leave anything out.
The information I have given you will get you inside the building, but you must still face Fisk himself.
I'll distract him with cupcakes.
This is why you will lose. You underestimate him. He has fought for his life since he was a boy. If you show even a moment's weakness, he will see it and kill you.
The old killer instinct, huh? A lot of good it did you. I'm not sure if the cops can pin anything on you, but if not, take my advice and go back to Russia. Fisk doesn't seem as forgiving as I am.
Distract him with cupcakes. This is the second time he did a fat joke on Fisk. I like that. I like that. Oh, look. Ionic web. Chemical compounds used by Craven enable Spider-Man to alter his webbing with the property to fracture the ions in certain metals, causing them to deteriorate. Ah, nice. Insensitive. And since Jack mentioned, let me just upgrade this one then. Might as well get a strong one. Jackhammer mentioned Dead Island, and when I saw Dead, I remembered of Deadpool. I wanna play the game Deadpool, but I don't know if I'll stream it because I think it's too, what's the word I'm trying to use? It's not kid friendly.
Are you kidding me? With everything going on in the city, they're sending task force guys out of town?
I heard it's about that stolen Oscorp tech. Some kind of armor they're trying to get back.
So? We need backup now. But they don't care if working stiffs like us get killed.
This is my chance to find out what the task force's real priorities are.
Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can quickly do another good deed real quick so that I can... Let's go there. So that I can keep the meter in my favor every single time. Otherwise I'll get shot and stuff.
Not sure what I was aiming at there.
What's going on here anyway? Is there something going on here, huh? Up there. Oh, comic book?
Cute. I'll take that.
No! Don't shoot and fall off. What's going on here?
You're surrounded! Be smart and throw out your guns!
Man, it smells like bacon around here.
Alright. No, what are you doing?
Bad guys don't think of themselves as bad guys, but come on, you must know.
Everyone quiet! I heard something. Now we'll see who is stronger. It is different fighting man to man, huh? You are just a little man. I will crush you.
What the heck? Why is he not... Come on. Sometimes the controls, like, lose their momentum.
Let's not fight. Ah, never mind. Let's fight. Only Fisk has that kind of influence. I should hitch a ride on one of the trucks. See what he's up to.
There's at least one more. There's another one over there. That's 8, and then let's take the big guy. Where's the big guy? Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy.
The judges are just in my head, but still.
Where's the big guy? Is everybody... Okay, hello? Has to be another one. Where is he? Where's the big guy? There he is!
You're deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Speaking of zombie-themed game, turns out Left 4 Dead 2 has a mod campaign that's basically... Yes, I know, and there's even the first Resident Evil game, and I need to install it. Cheer's been telling me, and I need to do that. But I think I'm gonna install it on my laptop,
between police
not on my
and
Mac.
criminals was ended by Spider-Man.
Alright, so I did that. Now everything is in my favor again, kind of, yes? Alright, ooh, nice. So, now... I need to go back to here. Let's go. If I'll do these little crimes every time, I'll never finish the story. This is a good Spider-Man game, huh? I'm enjoying it. I was really put off because of the fact that it was kind of a tie-in with the movies, and usually games that tie-in with the movies are ass. So that's why I always hesitate to get this game. Oh, what did you do? What did you do?
I think I'll tag along with those trucks and see what's so important.
I've never opened my mail. I keep getting messages.
I'm not used to driving that kind of truck. Why can't Tony come?
Because we're going to see the boss. And only his top guys get to know where he goes when he's not here. So shut up and do your job.
Yeah, so it's good then. I'd like that.
I had a feeling listening in on those guys might pay off. Now to stick to their truck and let them take me right to the fat man himself.
The fat man. Again, he goes again with the fat man. Hide in the truck. Sure, why not? The kingpin of crime.
Tell him we've got the delivery. I'll watch the truck. You got it, boss.
Sure, my ionic web weakens metal, but it makes it look fabulous.
Surprise!
I have eyes on Spider-Man!
Alright, so this enemy's armored, normal attacks will barely hurt him. Okay, so ionic web then.
I think of it as a sticky, gooey, smelly sweater. Coat? All the armor in the world can't fix stupid.
All the armor in the world can't fix stupid.
You got it.
I want a perimeter set up. All points of entry watched. I'm on it. I catch anyone slacking off, they'll end up padding my arrest stats.
Understood, sir.
Maintain radio contact. Check in every 5 minutes. I'll spread the word. The boss wants everyone working double shifts.
I'll tell the boys.
Task Force cops working with crooks. No. Who could have possibly predicted that? Except everybody. I learned a valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun. That's what I'm talking about.
Ah, come on, what's it? She just gives us an excuse to blast him for assaulting us.
If you want anything.
Hey, pay attention! Armor might look cool, but it doesn't make him any faster.
You've been busy, Spider-Man. You're at 4 crimes to the list.
Et voila!
Alright, let's tackle these guys now.
This one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
As for Resident Evil 5 mod, I have seen Cheer stream it, and I know for a fact he also an R3. There's an R3 as well. Interesting. I want to give that a go. I miss Outbreak, huh? It's been a while. But it's nice to take a break for certain games every now and then because
it's my lucky day.
Because I get poisoned playing the same game over and over. You know? What's this? What's this? Weapon.
The armored guys are giving orders to everyone else. Let's see what I can do to stop that. At least say some fun bad guy things like, "Curse you, Spider-Man!" I love that one.
Curse you, Spider-Man! Oh man, I've made a great villain voice actor.
Just what I want.
I'm not sure about the Kingpin. I don't like working for a guy who...
Man! You know how many times I aimed at him?
Can't use my webbing for a while.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Nice. I'm gonna die. And I died. I've never experienced that before. I can't use my webbing for a while. Why not? What happened to him? Why can't he use it? And I was aiming at the guy and it wouldn't hit him. Now what? I have to start over? Let's go. Yep, starting over.
Task Force cops working with crooks. No. Who could have possibly predicted that? Except everybody.
Bruno!
Oh, snap! If you were awake, you'd be impressed.
Got the spider!
What the heck? Why'd you...
Web shooters aren't working.
What the heck? Why is the web shooter not working? What's going on?
You might have a chance of boring me to death.
Ionic webbing?
I'm going tougher than you.
What the heck? What the heck? Why is the webbing not working? What the heck is going on?
Web shooters. This one time I fought someone who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
Oh my goodness, what is going on? My web shooters are not working at one point. Alright. No, I don't think I'm getting that island. No, I'm not getting that island. I said Deadpool, not that island. Deadpool. I want to play that pool. Alright, let's try again. Man.
Task Force cops working with crooks. No. Who could have possibly predicted that? Except everybody. This is why they call me amazing.
No, I don't think I'm gonna get that island, no. It's not, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Because you said that island, and remind me of Deadpool. Look at that! Look at that! I just used the webbing! It didn't work! It's just another gimmick. Alright, you know what?
Show me what you...
I love getting paid to beat punks like you.
I'll come right out with you.
There we go. Dissolve.
Armor might look cool, but it doesn't make them any faster.
Assault on police officers. You've been busy, Spider-Man. Gotta add more crimes to the list. It really is so hard to get good help these days.
Hey, pay attention! I'm not gonna do this again for your benefit.
Yeah, I might play it, but I don't think I'll stream it. That's the thing. I want to see the thing.
I'm not sure about the Kingpin. I don't like working for a guy whose name I don't know.
Ionic webbing's gonna get shot here.
Spider Slam!
It's not working!
You're all tricks. No more tricks. Someone's here. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Target acquired. Got it. What's that? A rat? Yeah, Bruno. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty.
When you put forth this week in effort, I kinda feel like you don't respect me. Spidey dance party! Well, more of a seismic blast, really. Sure, my ionic weapon looks to me like the elite task force wasn't all that elite.
I'm sure you're quite pleased with yourself, but the night is young.
Is he frozen?
Got eyes on the spiders.
They say bad guys don't think of them.
Or you know what? You know what? No, 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 get out of here. No, 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 not here.
What's that? A rat? Yo, form up on me. I got him.
Don't feel bad. You're not. All right, you're not good.
You're a fool, Spider-Man. If you think those lackeys were meant to do anything more than delay you.
Yo, over here. You're all tricks. No more fancy stuff. This is gonna hurt. Bad.
Can you at least say that?
It's like you're in slow motion.
Why did the music stop? The music gave up. Did the music give up? The music gave up. Completely. Deadpool slapping a unicorn on Wolverine. Is that it? Where is everything? What happened? It went quiet now. It's in quiet mode. I can't see a thing. Alright, now I can see again. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The armor's only as good as the guy inside. Whatever those guys get paid, it's too much. Let's not fight. Ah, never mind. Let's fight.
Do you know how much you cost me?
No! I was hailing! What the heck? It was the last guy! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna have to do it again! This is annoying. 0 out of 5 again.
Cops
Oh my goodness.
No. Who could have possibly predicted that? except everybody...
Yo, over here!
I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna call it, I think, because it's past 7 PM now. And I need...
Think of it as a sticky, gooey, smelly sweat. Armor might too big an advantage, but it doesn't make them any faster. Equalize things with ionic weapons.
Hold on, police. You've been busy, Spider-Man. Can't add more crimes to the list.
No. Alright.
Just one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better.
You know what?
Ionic webbing? Looks to me like the elite task force wasn't all that elite.
I'm sure you're quite pleased with yourself. But
I am pleased. Come on!
Oh, you're all hat, no cat.
A win is a win. This one...
It really is so hard to get good help these days.
What the heck just happened? Oh my goodness, I'm getting angry now. That was cheap! The game told me to do that. I'm so tired of doing this over and over.
Task force cops working with crooks. Who could have possibly predicted that? Except everybody.
What the heck? Get out of my face. Unconscious. Unconscious. I don't know why I said that. Did I read that unicorn?
Here he is!
I don't care what...
No! You see? He fails to aim!
Send me the dry cleaning bill. Armor might too big an advantage, but it doesn't make them any faster. Equalize things with ionic weapons.
Hold on, police. You've been busy.
What the heck? Just...
More crimes to the list.
I'm getting angry. I cannot see a thing. The camera! The camera, please! Oh my goodness. Come on!
Are you deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of mime thing?
You might have a chance of boring me to death.
Why can't I get this woman? Ah, enough.
Gotcha. Here, he's right here.
Can you at least say some fun bad guy things like, "Curse you, Spider-Man"? I love that one.
That mask don't scare me.
The heck? So many bad guys, I'm gonna die! And I told you I'm gonna die. Yeah, I said unicorn. Come on, I'm getting angry now. Now, if I die one more time, I'm calling it. That's it. I'm rage quitting.
Task force cops working with crooks. No. Who could have possibly predicted that? Except everybody. Did your mom tell you you could be anything you want? Because she was wrong.
I get so disoriented when it's upside down. I can't see a thing.
Nothing gonna stop us now.
Yeah, the Kingpin's scary.
Armor might work
him
so
over the
best shot
odds
here,
for
but it doesn't make him any faster.
Assault on police officers. You had many, Spider-Man. Can't let more crimes to the list.
What's going on now? What's the sound?
Something moved over there. Something moved over there. Something moved over there. What's that? What's that? Huh?
I like hurting people.
Skinny, ain't you?
To disappear.
So hard to get good health these days.
Looks to me like the elite task force wasn't all that elite.
I'm sure you're quite pleased with yourself, but the night is young.
Yeah, it glitched a little bit, but it's fine now. Earlier I pulled this and I died. Let me try again. Alright, no I didn't. But what was it for anyway? Just a trap. That's so cheap. Look at that. It was just a trap.
If I take down the armored guys, the rest won't know what to do. Hey, pay attention! I'm not gonna do this again for your benefit.
Someone up there is aiming. Come on. Go up, go up, go up, go up.
Who can resist that?
You know how much you cost me, but the bill is coming due, Spider-Man!
I'm not sure about the Kingpin. I don't like working for a guy whose name I don't know.
His money's green, and if you ask too many questions, it's bad for your health. That's all you need to know.
Hey, boy, you got the spider!
He's gonna get him back up.
I suppose when you live such a sad little life, you can't help but cling to small victories.
Look at that! You see them work, the ionizing thing?
You fancy yourself a hero. I've done more for this city than even...
Look at that! There's other targets! No! No! You freaking cheap! No, 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 no. Look at that! Finally, I got him.
The armor's only as good as the guy inside. And those guys?
No!
Please, Spider-Man, be a little more police officers. It'll make wonderful news footage.
Sometimes, I even impress myself.
I love how his costume eventually, you know, tears up and everything, gets worn out. I like that. Now there's another guy over there, so I need to take out two more.
Got the spider!
You don't got the spider. There's one down here. I think. There's one over there.
The guys in armor are calling the shots, which makes them my prime targets.
The spider! Form on me!
They say bad guys don't...
Okay. Can't see a thing, but...
Anybody else? The Daily Bugle never gets pictures of me winning like this. I can check that one off my list.
Oh, there's the guy.
Spider-Man! He's over here!
This one time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
Alright, one last guy up there. He is up there. Now I'm gonna go up there. Oh, come on, seriously, dude! Up there, up there, up there, up there.
Got the spider!
You don't got the spider.
Target acquired! Open fire!
Look at that, look at that! I just shot him with the thing!
Tricks, are we?
You're not so scary in person! You're all tricks! No more tricks!
Alright.
No fancy tricks, time.
As for you...
I love getting paid to be...
Did you... Give me robots any day. At least robots don't talk your ear off.
I may have to take a direct hand in this sordid matter.
Alright, let's go. No.
No more games, Buffalo Butt. Just you and me. What, no elevator music?
No elevator music.
Than Jameson. Smells like sweaty fat guys and burritos in here.
Oh my goodness!
Burritos.
Ah, sweaty fat guys and burritos.
Well, if it isn't the Kingpin. Catchy name, but I have to say, you look more like a bowling ball than a pin. Maybe a beach ball?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I mean, I'm impressed. You take control of crime in New York right under everybody's nose. The whole city knows you're cooking, and everyone still kisses your tuchus. It must take, what, a week? A lot of ground to cover is what I'm saying.
The only criminal I see is the masked man guilty of breaking and entering into my private building. A violent vigilante. The Daily Bugle has branded a menace.
Fine, play it like that. But one way or another, you're going down.
And now you threaten me. I dare say Jonah Jameson will praise me as a hero after I kill you. In self-defense, of course.
You set Cletus Cassidy loose on the city. Not just to wipe out your rivals, but to scare people. To make things so bad, when you took over, it'd look like you fixed it.
And who else is gonna...
What the heck? I cannot hit him!
You? Running around in a costume, acting out some adolescent power fantasy. I live in the real world, Spider-Man.
What am I supposed to do? I haven't even started damaging him yet. Whoa!
You are so fat. When you cut yourself shaving, marshmallow fluff comes out. You're so fat, you're the same height lying down.
No. Alright, I need to take him out. I'm gonna take him out. I'm enjoying this fight, actually. I need to understand how it's done, though. It's asking me to do a seismic blast, but it's not working. So we'll see.
You set Cletus Cassidy loose on the city. Not just to wipe out your rivals, but to scare them. To make things so bad, when you took over, it'd look like you fixed it.
And who else is gonna fix things, huh? You? Running around in a costume, acting out some adolescent power fantasy. I live in the real world, Spider-Man.
You're so fat, when you wear a yellow
Is this my chance?
People yell, "Taxi!"
That's my chance. That's my chance, alright. Come on. No. Come on. Hup. No!
Gets left out when I use the seismic blast. You're so bad. You go camping?
Come down here immediately! You expect me to fight him myself?
Crap!
People don't expect a crime-free utopia. They want a world that makes sense.
Come on, I shot you with the ionizing thing. What the heck?
You don't get hurt. They want order.
You're wrong. People want justice. They want to know that if they work hard and play by the rules, the same rules everyone else has to follow, they'll be okay.
I'm out.
Amusing world you live in.
No.
A joke. I'll crush you. In self-defense, of course.
No! God dang it! Alright.
You set Cletus Cassidy loose on the city. Not just to wipe out your rivals, but to scare them. To make things so bad, when you took over, it'd look like you fixed it.
And who else is gonna fix things? You? Running around in a costume, acting out some adolescent power fantasy.
No.
I live in the real world, Spider-Man. Where are your fat jokes now?
Oh, it doesn't work that the... No! He's not giving me a chance.
I'll crush you! In self-defense, of course. This is what happens when a boy faces a man.
Oh, come on.
You're a
Come on!
to challenge me.
Come on, charge at me like last time.
Where are your fat jokes now? Not so confident. How are you?
Right out with some cold water.
God dang it! When a boy faces a man.
When you put forth this weak an effort, I gotta.
No, 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 no.
Self-defense, of course.
Casey, that guys don't think of themselves as bad guys, but come on, you must know.
I'm not doing any damage whatsoever.
So fat your high school yearbook photo was taken from a helicopter. No? Like a bouncy house, am I right? You're so fat, when you go camping, the bears hide.
Come down here immediately! You expect me to fight him myself?
Come on.
People don't expect a crime-free utopia. They want a world that makes sense, where if you stay out of bad neighborhoods, you don't get hurt. They want order.
You're wrong. People want justice. They want to know that if they work hard and
no, stop!
The same rules everyone else has to follow, they'll be okay.
What an amusing world you live in.
What the heck are they?
I like hurting people. Let me show you.
Not so confident now, are you?
Spidey dance party. Well, more of a seismic blast, really. Ionic webbing, do your stuff. Booyah!
That's one.
That's what happens when I'm...
Just send me the dry cleaning bill.
This is gonna hurt.
You brought this on yourself.
I need to get the other guy.
I love getting paid to beat punks like you.
How do I do the ionic webbing? It doesn't always work.
I'll crush you.
There we go.
Self-defense, of course.
Okay.
Let's see how you do hand-to-hand.
Let's not fight. Ah, never mind. Let's fight.
I need to heal before I keep attacking. No! Why are you not healing?
You're a fool to challenge me. I'll make an example of you.
Come on, one more heat. You know what, actually? No. Alright, that's it.
Spidey doesn't play favorites. Neither does the seismic blast. You're so fat. When you wear a yellow raincoat, people yell, "Taxi!"
Come on, come get it. 1, 2.
You're so fat your high school yearbook photo was taken from a helicopter. No?
What do I pay you for? Get down here!
Oh no, that was 3 of them. Okay. We can do this.
What people want is men like
What's going
me
on?
to make the hard choices. To make the wheels of the world turn so they can work their
What the heck is he doing?
small lives and get a cookie at the end of the day. Knowing that someone strong is in charge.
Hey man, I get it. You were a bullied fat kid and now you want to get even. You want to start a software company? Be my guest. When you start hurting people, when you turn into the bully yourself, I'm gonna shut you down.
How dare you? Hey, you know nothing about me. Nothing about my life. You have no idea what I've done to survive.
So talk to me. Let's hear it. You hired Craven, Cletus Cassidy. You're so proud of it. Tell me what you did.
Come on! I cannot. The ionizing weapon. The ionizing is not working. It's not always working. So I don't know how. And rip. All right, that's it. I'm gonna call it. I'm getting angry and I need to calm down. I'm gonna call it. I've been streaming for what, 3 hours now. I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for stopping by, everyone, and for whoever subscribed. And I will see you probably tomorrow. Bye. Have a great time.